Hello friends, I am back with another interesting video. Today I gonna show you how to install macOS 11.5.1 Big Sur on VMware Workstation. Okay guys, without talking too much, let's get started. Okay, first of all, we have to download macOS Big Sur installation file. Open up any browser. Okay, now paste the link from the description and press enter. It's Mediafire download link. You can see it's about 13 GB. Now simply download it. I have already downloaded. Here is it. It is in RAR format. Okay. Now extract the file here. It will take a few minutes. Okay. After successfully completed, open the extracted folder. Okay. Now install the VMware Workstation or player from here, or you can also download and install from their official website. Official site is in the description. Okay, you can see I have already installed VMware Workstation and player. Okay, now back to the folder. Here extract the unlocker zip file. Okay, now open the unlocker folder. Alright, now select the winstall cmd and run it as administrator. It will download and install requirement tools and packages for install macOS on VMware, and it will take a few minutes depend on your internet speed. Okay, I have already installed. Okay, after successfully completed, close the command prompt and folder. Alright, now I am going to install macOS on VMware. Open the VMware player or workstation. Alright, now simply click on create a new virtual machine. Okay, here select installer disk image file and browse and select the macOS ISO image file that we have downloaded and extract in the folder. Okay, here is it. Simply select and open it and then click next. In the guest operating system, select Apple Mac OS X and in the version select 10.12 and click next. In the virtual machine name, type the virtual machine name as you want, and in the location, browse and select the location where you want to store Mac operating system data. Then simply click Next. Here, select the storage for the Mac operating system as your requirement. Then here select Store virtual disk as a single file. Then click Next. Alright. Now click on Customize Hardware. In the memory section, select RAM memory as your requirement. In the processor, select 4 cores. Now, in the USB controller, select USB 2.0 and tick on the Show all USB input devices. Then simply close it and click on Finish. OK. Now Mac operating system is ready for install. Select the Mac OS and click on green button to power on the virtual machine. Here simply click OK. You can see Apple logo is appearing here. Just wait, it will take a few minutes. OK, here select language, then click on arrow button to next. Now click on disk utility, then click on continue. OK, here select VMware virtual SATA hard disk. Then click on erase to format the virtual hard disk. Here type virtual hard disk name. Then simply click on erase. Within few seconds, process will complete. Now simply click on done. OK, now close it. Here click on install macOS Big Sur. Then click on continue. Here again click on continue. Accept the license agreement. Click agree. OK. Here select the disk and click on continue. It will take about 45 minutes. OK. Now select your country and click on continue. Again click continue. Here simply click on not now. Here you can read data and privacy. Then click on continue. Here select not now. Here is asking to sign in with Apple ID. For now, click on Setup Later. Then click on Escape. Here again agree the terms and condition. Again agree the license agreement. Alright. Now type your full name, account name, set a password, verify the password. In the hint, you can set any hint. It will work on if you forget your password and it's optional option. Okay, now click on continue. Express setup. Click on continue. Again click on continue. Now the screen time. Setup later. Now in the Siri. I am disabling Apple Siri for now and click on continue. Now select the theme, light, dark or auto and click on continue. Setting up your Mac, simply click on continue. Now we are in final stage. It will take a few minutes. Alright, Mac operating system is ready to use. Now I am going to install VMware tools. First of all, click on Install Mac OS Big Sur in the right corner and simply eject it. Okay, now click on Player, then Removable Devices, CD DVD SATA, then click on Settings. Here in the ISO image file, browse and select in the downloaded extract folder darwin.iso and click on Open. Then here select Connected. Then click on OK. Within few seconds, VMware Tools installation will start. Alright, click on Install VMware Tools. Here click on Continue. Then click on Install. Type your administrator password and click Install Software. Here is a warning pop-up. Simply click on Open Security Preferences. Again click on Open Security Preferences. Here click the lock icon. Now type again the administrator password and click Unlock. Now here click on Allow. Not now. Then simply close it. You can see installation has been successfully completed. Simply restart the machine. The virtual machine will start. After successfully restart the machine, now I can minimize or maximize the display. Okay guys, finally Mac operating system is ready to use. That's all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.